I'm super excited to be checking out this 1994 Mazda Miata race car here.
It's got a JA32A engine in it with a 2000s Miata 6-speed in it.
Okay.
I have a torsion rear differential with 390 gears, so it really scoots down the road.
Dang, okay. All right. So it's built for a racetrack. I know that. Does it do okay like in a straight line, or is it just meant for good handling?
It's meant for good handling. It's not really meant for the road whatsoever.
Yeah.
Tried driving down the road, the crown of the road just makes it go all over the place with the slicks.
Okay. Do you know approximately how much power this makes, power torque specs?
From what I was told when I originally bought the car, because I bought it not too long ago, he said it makes 250 horsepower and close to 250 torque on the max effort tune.
Okay, sweet. It is tuned? The engine is tuned?
Yep, engine is tuned.
Okay. So as far as the build, can you tell me just a bit about what it has?
So it's got a Minitech JVC swap kit for the reinforced subframe for the engine. It has an AEM engine management system with a FRE Enterprise skid plate. Got the Hood Treasure Coast Miata swap hood with the vents in it to help keep it cool during the track days. It's got spec Miata suspension on it with adjustable E-Bot coilovers and Bilstein shocks. It has the 4-piston Willwood disc brakes up front, and it's got the stocks in the rear.
Okay.
Because you don't really need nothing too fancy in the rear there.
Right. Okay.
There's aftermarket cooling ducts in it to keep the brakes cool while hitting the track.
Gotcha.
The car is wired for a cool suit, and it's got the lights for nighttime racing so you can see your apex. The holes in the front of the bumper there for a light bar when they do racing at night.
Okay, that's sweet. So you just got this car recently, so you haven't really driven it too much yet?
Yeah, I've got it like 2 weeks ago.
That's exciting. That's cool. And it's built for the track. I know you're taking it there in a couple weeks. Today we'll be driving on the street a little bit.
Yeah.
Seeing how that goes.
It'll be interesting, I will say that.
Yeah, but have you driven it at all like on the street yet?
From my house to here.
Okay, all right, so this will be a first. This will be a fun time.
Yeah,
okay.
It'll be interesting.
Yeah, shall we take it on a spin?
Sure, let's go.
All right. Holy crap, that's loud.
That's loud.
See if I can get this right.
5 minutes later.
All good?
Good. All good. Wow. It sounds really aggressive.
It is. It's got way more power than it needs.
Yeah, no kidding. I can tell once you get up speed a little bit, it just whips back and forth.
I really think that's the slicks.
Yeah, probably.
Between that and the Elida, because look, it drives straight.
Oh yeah.
She's fast.
Yeah, no kidding. That is crazy. That'll be really fun to bring on the track.
Oh yeah, I'm excited for it.
Yeah. Yeah, it is loud.
Oh yeah.
It sounds amazing though. It's a good loud.
I love it.
It's a fast loud. It's not like a racer loud. You can tell it's a fast car.
Yeah. It's a stock motor.
Yeah, that's insane to think about.
All it has is a little bit of a tune on it, that's about it.
Because it weighs about how much?
I think 1,600 pounds. I think it's like 1,650 is what the guy says.
Holy crap. That is like nothing. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Yeah, it's got a lot of power to it.
It does.
Sheesh. Not the easiest car to drive, I imagine.
No.
Man. Well, thanks for the ride. That was awesome.
No problem.
I appreciate it.
If you're new to my channel and you're liking this content, I will be posting a brand new video every single week, so be sure to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you next time.